Pagod ka na bang mag-abang ng matagal sa initan?
Pagod na.
Pagod ka na bang makipagsiksikan sa jeep pero sabi ni manong driver, siya man daw yan? Mahuhulog na nga yung isa.
Pagod na pagod na.
Pagod ka na bang malate dahil sobrang traffic? Tapos napakainit pa. Pagod ka na ba?
Pagod na nga.
Kaya ito na, ang Baybay Bulacan. Based on the Pasig River Fair Service, this is a water-based transportation that has a route from Mekawayan to Santa Maria. And while waiting for the pair to arrive, there will be a comfortable shed para hindi na mabilad pa sa arawan.
This ferry can carry up to 42 passengers at once. Meron din itong air conditioning system. It has 2 fire extinguishers and breakable window glass in case of emergency. Plus, there will be charging ports on each seat for the convenience of our passengers.
Hindi lang yan, merong provided na inflatable life jacket sa likod ng lahat ng upuan. No need to blow manually in the midst of emergency. Now, iniisip mo siguro, environmental friendly ba ito?
It is. This ferry is powered by a B20 biodiesel fuel that reduces carbon dioxide emissions by roughly 15%.
Besides, we have solar panels that will provide electrical power with the help of an inverter. This is our way of having a separate power system for our lights, air conditioning system, and the charging ports on each of the passenger's seat.
And, in case of engine malfunction, the stored power will serve as backup for the propeller to keep spinning.
You don't have to be frustrated at all times when it comes to commuting. Here at Baybay Bulacan, we aim to improve everyone's commuting experience. We will ensure that your frustration will be replaced with joy and comfort.
Baybay Bulacan. Bye-bye traffic. Travel na fantastic!